Now imagine for a second that a card is selected at random from the deck. That card is then taken and lost in the center of the deck. The deck is then shuffled. The spectator then names a number between 1 and 10, and the spectator's card is eventually located. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a quick and simple card trick that requires zero performance. Let's do it. Alright, so before I break it down, hopefully you guys have seen the performance. If not, I'll put the link on the screen and description so you guys can go and check that out. Now, I actually had learned this trick a while back. I do not recall what it's called, but if you guys know, make sure to leave that down in the description below. So, let's break it down. Now, this trick does require a little bit of a setup, so you're going to have to actually take the top 10 cards of the deck, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and have them out like this. Now, once the cards are arranged in this order, you want to make sure with the cards face down that the 10 is on top, and it goes down numerically so that the ace is located on the bottom of the deck. Now, once that's done, put that on top of the deck, and from here it's pretty much all self-working. So, you start off, I would recommend getting a break under the top 10 cards first. So get those top 10 cards, count them off, whatever you have to do. Before you start the trick, get that break under the top 10 cards. Now, instead of spreading the cards out like this and having a spectator select, it could be a little difficult because you may lose the break. So what I like to do is I like to riffle through the side of the packet like this and have a spectator call out stop whenever they want. And from here, when I'm lifting up here, you want to make sure that you grab that break as well, right? So they stopped here. You want to make sure when you're lifting this up, you're also grabbing this break. So boom, you're lifting up. Remember, you get that break there. And of course, make sure the spectator doesn't see it. You lift up, put that card down, close that back up, transfer the break back to the pinky, and you're all set. So up to full speed, right? It looks like this. So when to stop right here, boom. And of course, you're maintaining that break the entire time. Now, once that's complete, you're going to tell the spectator that you'll leave it somewhere in the center of the deck. So you take the top 10 cards, put it down here, and you don't want the spectator to get any idea how many cards these are. So I usually do this generally as quickly as possible. I just say boom, we'll just leave it right here, sandwiched in the deck. And then what I like to do is give the deck a cut. And then, of course, this is a false cut, by the way. If you want to learn that, put the video stuff on the screen. So you can give it a false cut. I also like to give it a false overhand shuffle, just controlling that top packet of cards. And of course, this is not required, just the one cut will suffice. But again, there's some spectators that just don't believe you ever, so you want to just, get it as, I don't know what word I'm looking for. But you want to make it seem like the card is lost somewhere in the center of the deck. So let's just take an example. So here they selected the 4 of diamonds. Let me just grab my break real quick. Yep, okay. So here they take the 4 diamonds, boom, you put that down, you put the 4 here, give it a false cut. Quick false overhand shuffle if you'd like. And of course, the messier it looks, the better it is for, in terms of the spectator. So here, let's say they say the number 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, look at this card, 4. So you say, okay, this is the number 7. So now you're going to go 7 cards in, and of course you want to count in your mind. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you reveal this card to be the spectator's selected card. So real quick, fun fact, I was recording this and my camera ran out of battery. But it timed it perfectly. As soon as I revealed this, that's when the battery ran out. But anyway, if you like these kind of card tricks that require almost no skill, make sure to go and check out that video right there, because that requires no skill also, and it'll amaze your spectators. And if you're not interested in that, then go out and add some magic into people's day. Peace out.